Hey everybody, this is Ralph Amello with the Ron Sawyer team at RE/MAX Prime. And today's topic we're going to be going over is what happens after you sign your listing paperwork and you're going on the market. So thankfully, if you have an agent like me, we take care of most of that for you. We have a very thorough pre-market preparation program that we get with you to get going. We start with making sure that your house is as decluttered as possible. First impressions are huge, so we obviously think about it from that perspective. When somebody pulls up, they start assessing the home immediately, so want to make sure that your curb appeal is great, and when you open that front door, the house welcomes you and has a very inviting feel. After we get you prepped for that, we also make sure that any minor repairs that need to be coordinated or need to be brought to attention, we talk that out and get a game plan together, make sure we're both on the same page because we are working together, and get those repairs done prior to the photos. After that, we're ready for picture day. We have the photographers come over. They come and take amazing pictures. They do some videos. They do everything that gets the marketing stuff ready for us to get our cutting edge digital marketing plan going. At that point, we get everything going and uploaded for you. We're officially on the market, and then we start receiving our phone calls and hopefully getting that person in that's going to be the next new owner of the house and get you under contract. So those are some of the proven strategies that we help and get you going with after you've signed your listing paperwork, and we are getting you to market. Again, this is Ralph Amello, Ron Sawyer team, RE/MAX Prime. Look to see you next time, and happy selling.